three, let's go!
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Revati Baba, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then hi guys, my name is Revati Baba. I'm a part-time YouTuber and a full-time dentist, and I love making lifestyle, fashion and some fun vlogs too. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go subscribe to my channel now, because you wouldn't regret it and you will love joining into my YouTube fam. So please go and hit that subscribe button. And also in today's video, by the thumbnail and by the title, you might have already gotten to know what this video is gonna be about. So I'm gonna do an outfit from scratch video on my channel, and this is the first of many. So I'm really very excited. So if you're interested, then keep watching. And now without any further ado, let's just get right away into the video. So I'm gonna be heading out now. It's almost 8:30 in the evening, so I'm gonna go to the shop, and I have an outfit in my mind, like how I want my outfit to be made, and I'm gonna need a material obviously to get it stitched. So I'm gonna go to that shop, which I'll show you once I reach. I've been wanting to make an outfit from scratch wala video since a really long time. Now I'm finally making it, so I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, now let's just chalo jate hain shop ko. So I don't know if you guys can tell, this is the matching center from which I normally shop, like this one. Like 70% of my clothes are from, not 70 actually, 90% of the stitched clothes, stitched kurtis or anything that I purchase are from this shop. This one, from here I mostly shop. And it's Monday today, तो आज बंद है, तो ये बाजू वाला जो शॉप है वहाँ से भी my mother buys, and that's my mother. So ये शॉप से अभी हम लोग वो आउटफिट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच के लिए मटेरियल देखने वाले हैं. Last time only 2-3 months back I shopped idhar se kurti ke 2 pieces and I got them stitched. So now I'm gonna shop from here only. Let's see kya hai idhar. Guys, I came back home and I've chosen the cloth. So tomorrow I'm going to go to my tailor, which I've been going since the past 15-20 years or even more. I was such a little girl. Since then my mother has been, stitching clothes for me, like customized clothes for me. So since then I've been going to the same tailor. I'm gonna get my lehenga stitched from there only. Like मैं जब इतनी छोटी सी थी ना, तब से मेरी मॉम कपड़ा लेती थी and मेरे लिए सलवार चूड़ीदार सिलती थी. जब मतलब like almost जब मैं 4-5 साल की थी तब से, या उससे भी छोटी, मतलब 1 साल से. My mother is sitting in front of me and she's showing like this and she's like telling me 1 साल से थी. So yeah, so since I was 1 year old, or since when I could start, like since when I started walking, since then I've been wearing customized clothes, like stitched salwar suits, and I love them till date. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow once I go to the tailor. And I totally love the material, like I'm in love with the material. I just went to the market, like when I was returning, I even got bangles and footwear to match with it. So yeah, and I'm just waiting for my outfit to get stitched. I'm gonna go to the tailor tomorrow and tell him what all I have in my mind, like the blouse design and how I want my lehenga. So I'll take you along with me tomorrow and then you'll see. Okay, so guys, it's the next day and it's 5 o'clock in the evening. So I'm headed to the tailor. So I'll see you once I reach the tailor's shop. And yeah, so this is the shop from which I have stitched my clothes since I was a little girl. So yeah. back home from the tailors, and I've told him कि मतलब मुझे 5th Jan तक ready चाहिए because on the 7th Jan my friend's wedding is there, but I just want my outfit to be ready by 5th Jan because अगर मैंने 5th Jan बोला तब जाके वो 6th Jan तक मतलब देगा. So yeah, let's hope he obviously will get it ready because I've told him how urgent it is. So that's not the point, and I'm really like eager to see how he gets the outfit made. Now I'm done with today. Now once the outfit is ready, I will see you that time. I'll see you guys on the 5th of Jan. So I'm gonna go quickly to my tailor and let's see how the outfit has turned out to be. So अभी let's go. And yeah, मैंने ये अंदर टी बैग पहना है, मैंने ये जैकेट पहना है बिकॉज यार 6 बज रहे हैं और मुझे ठंडी लग रही है. मतलब मुझे मुंबई में ठंडी लगती है, मेरे को दिन रात में ठंडी लग रही है ऐसे करती रहती हूँ घर पे. तो इसलिए जैकेट तो पहनना पड़ा और टी बैग इसलिए क्योंकि फिर इसके ऊपर ब्लाउज एक्चुअली उसका रेनोवेशन में है शॉप, तो उधर चेंज नहीं कर पाऊंगी और ट्राई नहीं कर पाऊंगी, इसलिए फिर इसके ऊपर ही ब्लाउज पहन लूंगी एंड नीचे लेगिंग ही पहना तो इसके ऊपर चोली भी डाल लूंगी, फिर देखूंगी कैसा लगता है. तो चलो अभी देखते कैसा बना है. सो गाइस, आई वेंट टू माय टेलर एंड देन आई ट्राइड ऑन लाइक माय लहंगा एंड इट वाज टाइट. So he told me it's gonna take some few hours to get it made because it's gonna take a little while for him to like I don't know to remove it, and it's like a very tedious process. So he said he first told me that for me like he told me to come at 9:30 and pick it up, but I called him up at 9:30, which is like a few like minutes before, and then he said that you send me your live location and I'll drop it at your place once it's done. And I told him कि आज रात तक चाहिए, मतलब चाहिए because it's dirty because you know how they keep the clothes in their shops, so that's why it's dirty. I want to wash it tomorrow and then day after tomorrow I have to wear it. So by tomorrow I have to wash it as well as I have to like dry it and iron it, and then it will be ready. I don't want to wear a dress that's dirty and that's shabby, even though after ironing also it's still gonna look dirty, right? So I want to get it cleaned and washed nicely and properly. So yeah, but the way he made it, it's gorgeous. Only the problem was that my blouse was tight and my lehenga was tight, but the blouse he immediately fixed it because it's very easy to do, so he did it and the blouse was so awesome, you guys. And my lehenga is also really very nicely made. I'm just waiting for it to loosen up and fit me correctly. It was not a little, actually a lot tight. Yeah, so right now I guess it's 10 o'clock or something, so I'm waiting for my dress to come. And yeah, I also went to the shop where I had given my dupatta for dyeing, so I'll just quickly show you how the dupatta looks. So the dupatta is like this. It's completely yellow, like the net was plain and I dyed it to the color of my lehenga. So as you can see, it's a completely plain net ka dupatta, and the material of my blouse, I made a label or I added a border of it at the end of the dupatta. आप देख ही सकते हो, and it's pretty simple and decent, and yeah, I just love how the dupatta looks. And yeah, now I'll see you once my lehenga comes. So guys, my lehenga has come. It's 11:30 and I'm so excited. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly. I'm gonna just change and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm loving how the lehenga looks. As you can already tell, look at the freaking blouse. I love how the blouse looks on me. And yeah, this is perfect. I'm just gonna go behind. Also, my tailor, without I mentioning it to him, he made a mask, which is such a win, right? I love how the mask is going with my outfit. I was actually worried about which mask to wear on my outfit, but my tailor has, solved that problem too without even telling him. So I'm so glad with how my lehenga looks. So I love how my outfit turned, and I'm super ready for the wedding, which is happening day after tomorrow on the 7th of Jan. So I'm super excited to attend my best friend's wedding. And yeah, that is it for this outfit from scratch video, and now the outro is gonna play. So guys, this concept of outfit from scratch, ये वाला concept actually मैंने बहुत साल पहले Sejal Kumar, I'm sure you might be knowing her. She's a famous YouTuber and a very good content creator. So I've been following her since almost 5 years now. So I saw this concept on her channel first, and that's why I decided to do it myself as well. And I'm sure there might be many YouTubers who must have done before her also, but I saw it from her channel for the first time. So yeah, So basically if you don't know, then I'm just gonna break it down for you क्या होता है outfit from scratch. So yeah, so outfit from scratch ये होता है कि you know you have a particular outfit in your mind and you want to make it on your like terms and conditions basically at the cheapest expense possible. So मतलब मटेरियल हम खुद लेते हैं, टेलर हम हमारे चॉइस का, एंड वो यू नो आउटफिट हम लोग ऑनलाइन या कोई भी इंस्पिरेशन हो सकती है उससे देख के हम एग्जैक्ट बनाते हैं, क्योंकि नॉर्मली जो आउटफिट्स हम लोग जिनसे इंस्पायर होके ये आउटफिट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच बनाते हैं वो नॉर्मली बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. एंड या सो वी कुड डू इट आवरसेल्व्स एट अ बेटर यू नो प्राइस रेट, देन व्हाई not make it ourselves, right? So basically that's what outfit from scratch is. At least that's the best I could do to explain that concept. But in case if you still haven't understood, then head to Sejal Kumar's channel and I'm going to link the video from which I got inspired. So yeah, watch that in case if you're wondering what am I talking about. So yeah, I'm just bad at explaining things. So basically that's what I did. So मेरे best friend की शादी थी 7 Jan को and I was gonna attend a wedding after ages. Like 1-1.5 साल के बाद मैं किसी की शादी को अटेंड करने वाली थी, या मोस्टली 1 साल तो हो ही गया होगा. तो आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड एंड आई वांटेड अ परफेक्ट आउटफिट फॉर द यू नो फॉर हिज वेडिंग बेसिकली. एक्चुअली कॉटन कफ एक ब्लॉगर है इंस्टाग्राम पे, सो आई एम गोना इंसर्ट द पिक्चर्स व्हिच इंस्पायर मी टू मेक दिस लहंगा. आई सॉ कॉटन कफ का ब्लाउज एंड आई वाज लाइक डैम, दैट्स रियली सेक्सी. I wanted to make that kind of blouse, so I got inspired from her outfit, which almost might be costing about 15-20 हज़ार से ज़्यादा ही उसका लहंगा कॉस्ट करता होगा. So yeah, so I got my लहंगा done in almost below 5,000 का रेंज. I'll be telling you approximately कितना properly, but हाँ उसका इतना महंगा लहंगा and I got the same exact लहंगा made and it's so exciting. You're gonna see all the clips of me vlogging how I made it and all of that. आपने देखा ही होगा, मैंने mention किया है कि मैंने कहाँ से लिया है, but once again I'm gonna tell you guys. So मीरा रोड, I stay in मीरा भाईंदर. So मीरा रोड में एक श्री मैचिंग सेंटर है जो आप वीडियो में देखे होंगे. मैं हमेशा ऑलमोस्ट सिंस आई वाज अ लिटिल गर्ल आई वाज बाइंग मटेरियल फ्रॉम कुर्तीज एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट वहाँ से, एंड माई मदर ऑल्सो बाइज लाइक ब्लाउज के यू नो मटेरियल्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट फ्रॉम दैट शॉप. एंड सो या सो वो वाला शॉप आई वेंट ऑन अ मंडे, सो इट वाज क्लोज. तो बाजू वाला शॉप भी वी बिन गोइंग उधर भी सिंस एजेस, सो वी आई वेंट टू दैट शॉप. एग्जैक्टली ऑब्वियसली जैसा कॉटन कफ का प्रिंट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट था वो एग्जैक्टली नहीं मिलेगा, बट आई डोंट रियली केयर फॉर द प्रिंट, आई केयर फॉर द पैटर्न. मैंने वो ब्लाउज लिया, 3.5 मीटर का मैंने लहंगा के लिए कपड़ा लिया एंड मुझे पिंक और येलो के बीच में लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूजन था, बट मैंने येलो कलर सिलेक्ट किया बिकॉज इट वुड बी अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर द वेडिंग, राइट? एंड या पिंक ऑलरेडी आई हैव टू मेनी क्लोथ्स, सो आई डिडंट वांटेड समथिंग मोर इन पिंक. एंड इन केस इफ यू हियर सम बैकग्राउंड नॉइज देन आई एम जस्ट सॉरी गाइस. लाइक तो और जो मैंने 80 मीटर्स ब्लाउज के लिए लिया था, सिंस आई वाज डूइंग अ यू नो स्लीवलेस ब्लाउज डिजाइन, सो आई वांट ऑब्वियसली मुझे ज्यादा कपड़ा नहीं लगने वाला था, तो आई जस्ट बॉट अ 80 नॉट मीटर सेंटीमीटर का ब्लाउज एंड 2.5 मीटर का दुपट्टा के लिए मैंने नेट का कपड़ा लिया जिसको मैंने येलो कलर डाई किया, सेम एज दैट कलर ऑफ माई लहंगा. जहाँ से मैंने ये सब मटेरियल लिया है वहाँ पे ही दुपट्टा डाई को और यू नो एजेस लगाने के लिए दे दिए. सो ब्लाउज 80 सेंटीमीटर का 450 रुपीज को पड़ा एंड लहंगा आई टुक ऑफ 4.5 मीटर बिकॉज मुझे बहुत घेर चाहिए था, तो इसलिए वो लहंगा का प्राइस 650 रुपीज था. कॉटन सैटन कपड़ा था एंड द मटेरियल वाज रियली अमेजिंग. एंड दुपट्टे का 250 रुपीज हुआ. आई जस्ट चेक 200 नहीं 250 रुपीज हुआ. तो इन ऑल 1300-1400 का मटेरियल हो गया अप्रोक्सीमेटली. यू डू द कैलकुलेशन, आई एम नॉट गोना डू द कैलकुलेशन, बट एंड मटेरियल बहुत ज्यादा था लहंगा का, सो ऑब्वियसली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट. एंड या एंड एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड था ब्लाउज, इट्स नॉट प्रिंटेड, तो एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड यू नो मटेरियल्स आर अ लिटिल बिट एक्सपेंसिव, नॉट टू एक्सपेंसिव बट अ लिटिल. सो 1300-1400 का मटेरियल एंड द टेलर I got it stitched from, again I've mentioned in the vlog, I'm gonna mention it again. I've been going to the same tailor for the past 20 years of my life. Actually it's a boutique, it's not a tailor, his shop is a boutique, so charged a little bit more, but it's totally worth it because I wanted my outfit to be stitched perfectly. तो उसने perfectly बनाया, तो उसके लिए उसने मुझसे 3,700 रुपीज लिया. So 3,700 and ये almost 5,000 and 6,000 के बजट में हो गया, but it was totally worth it. When you know have an image of your outfit and you get exactly the same in person, then that's totally worth it. So I was really happy with how my outfit looked, and आपने तो देख ही लिया होगा कि कैसा दिख रहा है वो. So I totally loved how my outfit looked, and yeah, and मैंने लहंगा के अंदर ना कैन लगाने के लिए बोला था because I wanted वो Cinderella vibes, like I wanted my skirt to stay stiff and the घेर जो है वो अच्छे से flow करे, इसलिए half of my skirt I told him to put a can. So yeah, it looked amazing, and yeah, I love how my outfit from scratch has turned out, and everyone loved my outfit. Like, I posted a picture on Instagram, all my friends are like, wow, that outfit is really goals. And yeah, so, and even wearing it made me feel really beautiful, and I totally loved it. And also the blouse is such a kind of a blouse that I could style it in so many different ways. I could wear it with the sari too, like it's gonna definitely come in handy, and yeah, I could put it to use a lot. So I'm happy with my outfit from scratch. And what do you guys think about this outfit from scratch video? Do let me know, because there's one more video coming your way, so stay tuned for that, and that's gonna be a different one than this. That's all I can say for now, because I don't want to spill too much of beans, right? So yeah, so this is it for my outfit from scratch video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I had fun filming it. So I hope it was helpful in some or the other way, and if it was, then thumbs up वाले बटन पे प्लीज क्लिक कर दो, एंड अगर पसंद नहीं भी आया तो थम्स डाउन वाले बटन पे क्लिक कर दो, बट प्लीज अपनी ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू दो, ओपिनियन दो, कमेंट करो यार. कमेंट क्यों नहीं करते मेरी वीडियोस पे? कमेंट करो और बताओ कि आपको कैसे टाइप की वीडियोस देखने हैं मुझसे, फिर मैं वैसे बनाऊंगी. सो प्लीज कमेंट करना. आई वाज रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस वीडियो, एंड फाइनली नाउ इट्स गोना बी लाइव एंड you guys are gonna see it, so it makes me really happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself guys, stay safe, and bye bye.